In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with HubSpot CRM. If you want your form submissions to flow more smoothly into your CRM, this setup is a great place to start. Connecting Jotform with HubSpot can help you keep leads, contacts, and form data organized in one place, which makes follow-up and tracking much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process step by step so you can get the integration started quickly and without confusion. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signing into the correct workspace if you manage more than one account, since integrations are usually connected at the account level. Once you're inside HubSpot, give the page a moment to fully load so all the navigation options are visible and ready to use. Next, move to the top right corner of the HubSpot dashboard and click the Marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot keeps its app connections and available integrations. If you've never used the Marketplace before, think of it as the central location for connecting third-party tools to your CRM. Opening this section is the first step toward finding the Jotform app. After that, use the search bar to look for Jotform. Type in the app name carefully so it appears in the results. Once it shows up, select it to open the integration page. This page typically gives you a quick overview of what the app does, what kind of data can be shared, and how the connection works with HubSpot. Taking a brief moment to review that information can help you confirm that you're choosing the right integration for your workflow. From there, click Install. At this point, HubSpot will begin the connection process and may prompt you to sign in. This is where you'll authorize the integration and allow the two platforms to communicate with each other. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and make sure you approve the requested permissions so the setup can complete properly. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, you may need to allow them temporarily so the sign-in window can open without issues. And that's the core process for integrating Jotform with HubSpot CRM. Once the installation is complete, you can move on to configuring how your forms and CRM data work together based on your needs. If anything doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or checking that you're signed into the correct accounts before starting again.